Let's make the Krak-O-Lantern. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Krak-O-Lantern from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. This drink is not something I'd normally make for myself. It contains one ingredient that I really have trouble eating, and I do say eating, not drinking. But I'm a completionist, and I have this goal to make all the official drinks from the Kraken website for their black spiced rum, and this is one of them, so I have to do it. It doesn't rise to the point of being a drink I hate, because it's actually a pretty good drink if you like pumpkin. And that's the secret ingredient, pumpkin. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Krak-O-Lantern, you kind of have to use Kraken's black spiced rum, because it's one of their official drinks. If you want to use another spiced rum in here, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Krak-O-Lantern. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and the first thing we have to do is do something that's very dangerous when around my dogs, and that is open up a can of pumpkin. You can also use pumpkin butter if you can find it, but I couldn't find it, so I'm using golden pie pumpkin. And they may go crazy, they may not. I may do this off camera. You may get to see all of it. We'll see what happens. Everything's calm so far. See, maybe I should use my finger there. My hands are clean, but why do people eat pumpkin? I'm going to do this now. There we go. 1 tablespoon, which is half of an ounce, which is 15 milliliters of pumpkin. I don't know if they can smell it yet. And I'm going to take this tablespoon? Yeah, 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to drop that right into the glass. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to put it in a container because we do feed this pumpkin to them. They love it. Yeah, I'm going to set it aside. Hold on. Now that I'm back, we can put in the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to start with my brown sugar syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. I do have a recipe for simple syrups here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. 1.5 ounce. 1.5 ounce. 15 milliliters. Allspice dram. This is a 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5 milliliters. Is it dram or dram? Let me know in the comments down below. And 1 ounce of your Kraken black spiced rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Dogs can smell the pumpkin now. Made me spill. Thank you, Effie. Now I'm going to get some boiling hot water. Boiling hot water. I'm going to add this to the glass, set that aside, and I'm going to stir this until the pumpkin dissolves. If you like pumpkin spice, this may be the drink for you. Now the garnish. They say grated cinnamon. I have ground cinnamon. Hopefully that's good enough. I mean, it's pumpkin. Who cares how this cinnamon is made? Put a dash of that on top. And there you have it, the Krak-O-Lantern. Drink with good spirits. Yeah, see, that's not bad. It's pumpkin, but it's not bad. Question of the day, do you like pumpkin? And if so, what's wrong with you? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Oh, it's getting hot. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.